अब इस जबरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस के बाद एक स्पीच तो होना ही चाहिए.
I don't think so you guys are excited at all. But kahan hai Josh? Show some energy, guys.
Because now we are calling upon our respected Nawaz sir for sharing us some valuable knowledge about this Independence Day.
Welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's begin with a question. You guys just at the back side, please everyone be quiet. Let's begin with a question. What if you woke up on morning and were told how to dress, what to say, what to believe, and you had no right to say no? Sounds suffocating, right? But that was the reality before 1947. And that exactly why 15th August is just not a day. It's a reminder. It's a reminder of sacrifice, struggle, and unbreakable spirit of our people. Today, as we gather here in freedom, breathing freely, dreaming fearlessly, and speaking openly, let's take a moment to say it together. Happy Independence Day. A salute to the sacrifice. This day is just not a waving of flags and wearing the tricolor badges. It's about the honoring of countless heroes, some known, many unknown, and who fought just not with their weapons, but with courage, convictions, and love for the nations. From Bhagat Singh's resistance to Mahatma Gandhi's peaceful protest, and from Netaji's "Give me blood and I will give you freedom" to Rani Lakshmibai's brave battles. These legends didn't fight for fame. They fought for us, fought for me, and so we could live in a free country. Swami Vivekananda once said, "Give me 100 energetic youth and I will change the nation." Well, look around. Today we don't have 100, but millions of energetic youth. All we need is that spark, that unity, and that unstoppable determination. Begin. Patriotic today doesn't just mean shouting slogans. It means respecting every religion, respecting every individual, respecting language, keeping our surroundings clean, being honest in our work and kind in our action, using our voice and our vote, our values wisely. As we celebrate 78 years of independence in 2025, let's not ask the country has done for us. Let's ask what can we do for the country starting from today. Let us move from excuse to execution, and let us carry forward the legacy of freedom, not just with words, but with purpose. Once again, thank you to all of you. Happy Independence Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words.